Day 16 of 365 Bible Stories. The three travelers rose and prepared to leave. Abraham walked with them for a short distance. Then God spoke to Abraham. "I have heard that the people of Sodom and Gomorrah are committing great evil. Their sin is severe, and the cries against them have reached me. I am going to see if what I have heard is true. What do you think, Abraham?" Abraham paused, thinking carefully. Then he turned to God and said, "What if there are 50 righteous people living in the city? Will you still destroy it, even though good people are there?" God replied, "If I find 50 righteous people in Sodom, I will spare the entire city for their sake." Abraham spoke again, "What if there are only 40 righteous people?" God answered, "If there are 40, I will not destroy it." Abraham thought for a moment longer, then asked, "What if there are 20 righteous people?" And God said, "If there are 20, I will still not destroy the city." But Abraham was not finished. "What if there are only 10 righteous people?" Once more, God replied, "If there are 10 righteous people, I will not destroy it." When the conversation ended, God continued on his way towards Sodom and Gomorrah. Abraham turned and returned to his tent, where Sarah was waiting. Join me tomorrow as we continue this journey through the Bible.